In yesterday class, we discussed that thermodynamic process. Is it clear? And just for your sake of knowledge, we have understood that initially we have a phase. If we have more than one phase, then automatically thermodynamic boundaries, phase boundaries. After that, we need to define properties. Is it clear? For thermodynamic state, to define thermodynamic state, we need to define properties. Properties may be of extensive or intensive. When there is a change in property, we will say that there is a there is a process. Whenever there is a change in property, it means there is a process. Next one, if initial and final states are same, then we will say that is thermodynamic cycle. That is known as thermodynamic cycle. Is it clear? Now we will proceed from thermodynamic cycle. We will proceed from thermodynamic cycle. At present, thermo is going on in three batches simultaneously: morning, evening, and after that also. Okay, this one is also okay. Now next is thermodynamic cycle. Next is thermodynamic cycle. Just give me 1 minute. हाँ हेलो, अभी मैं क्लास में हूँ, मैं बाद में बात करेंगे। जस्ट गिव मी यार 1 सेकंड, आई होप इट इज। जस्ट यार गिव मी। नेक्स्ट वन इज thermodynamic cycle. Next one is thermodynamic cycle. In case of thermodynamic cycle, we know that the initial and final both the states are same. Is it clear? So we can say a thermodynamic cycle. A thermodynamic cycle is defined as a series of state changes, a series of state changes such that the final state is identical with the initial state. Suppose initially you are single, then you are in relationship, then after some time, then breakup takes place, then after breakup for some time, then again you are single. It means cycle starts from single and then you are single. It means that is just a thermodynamic cycle. Initial and final position are same. You are single, then relationship, then again single. Then initially you were single and at present time you are single. It means I hope you understand. We can understand with the help of a graph also. Suppose we have a diagram that is P versus V. ये A to B है और ये 1 to 2 है। ये जो A से B है, सॉरी, इंग्लिश मीडियम में, which the A to B, that is process, that is a process, and it is 1 to 1, that is a cycle. Is it clear up to this point? There should be no doubt. Yes or no? A to B, at this point, we have P1 V1, at this point, we have P2 V2. So we have different thermodynamic variables. So it is a state. And it is a process. A state, B state, we are going from A state to B state. At state A, we have pressure P1 and volume V1, and at B, pressure P2 and volume P2. A to B, a process, and this one is cycle. Is it clear? So can we summarize? Initially, we have a phase. If you will learn like that, you will never forget in your life. We have phase. In more than one phase, then state. To define state, we have properties. Properties may be of extensive or intensive. Properties may be of extensive or intensive. Then we have process. And then we have cycle. Is it clear? Then processes are adiabatic, polytropic. All these are processes. Isothermal. I hope up to this point, each and everything is clear to each and everyone. Up to this point, each and everything is clear. We have a phase. If we have more than one phase, then we need to define state. To define state, we need to define properties. Properties may be of extensive or intensive. Then if there is a change in property, then we need to define a process. And if initial and final state are same, then automatically we have cycle. Is it clear? I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. Yes or no? Now, today I will clear your more doubt. So many students came to me. Why it is so dark here? I am not so much dark as it is showing. It is reflection of light. Just wait. Now I will clear one more doubt. Some students came near to me during classes. Sir, in this book this is wrong. What is wrong? Sir, sometimes they use D, sometimes they use Dale. Then what is the concept of D and Dale? Sometimes you will del Q is equal to du plus del W. But students, sir, is it wrong? Or is it there any problem in this statement? Is it clear? Now we will try to understand the physical significance, that which properties are represented by D for exact differentials and which properties are represented by inexact differentials. Is it clear? Come to the point. Next one is, now we will discuss path dependent and path independent properties. Now next we will discuss path and point functions. The part which we are going to finish today or tomorrow, that automatically from this section you will get one question of 1 marks in GATE. Now next is path and point functions. Path and point functions. As name suggests, that path functions are those functions which depend on the path. Is it clear? Suppose you are taking coaching, offline coaching. Suppose you are taking coaching and you are coming per day at the coaching, and your starting point is your home and ending point is coaching. So I don't care from which way are you coming. If you are here, it means for me that you are at home and you are in coaching. But for you, because you are coming along that from the that path in which we have more number of girls degree college, we have more girls college. Is it clear? Big markets are there, malls are there. So that is the which according to you that is a path function because it depends. But for me, you are at your home and you are here. Is it clear? That is the fundamental difference. That the and if you will remember only two things, heat as well as work. Heat as well as a work both are path dependent functions. Both are path dependent functions and internal energy is a path independent function. Is it clear? And okay, now next question to you. Suppose you have two things. Sometimes du is equal to u2 minus u1. So many times you use this. Did you use this one? A, B. Which one is correct or both are correct? Which one is correct? First one is correct or second one is correct or both are correct? It means only first one is correct. Why? Because you have never seen such one. You will write W21, W23, W12. You will write like that. So because these are inexact differential and these are exact differentials. These are very fundamental things you need to know. But sir, on the name of thermodynamics, we will start from the first law of thermodynamics. Then your rank will start also from 1000. Path function and point function. Path function and point functions. Path function and point functions. Write down. Path functions are those functions. Path functions are those functions. Path functions are those functions which depend on the path. Which depend on the path. While point functions. In some books, point functions are also known as state functions. While point functions are independent of path and only depends on the initial and final states. Only depends on the initial and final states. Is it clear? Only depends on the initial and final states. Yes or no to this point? Now next point. Now I will explain with the help of an example so that it will be more clear. Suppose we have a P versus V graph. From our childhood means 11th, 12th, we know that the area under the PV curve will give you the work. Is it clear? Suppose we have this state 1 and we have this state 2. Is it clear? Suppose I am coming from this one. I am coming from this way. Suppose I am coming from 1 to 2 like this manner. I am coming from in this manner. Is it clear? 1 to 2 I am coming like that. It is our state first. It is state 2. It is we have P1, it is we have P2, here we have V1, here we have V2. Is it clear? I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. Yes or no? Is it clear? Is there any doubt up to this point? Suppose if you want to calculate the work along different paths, is it clear? Suppose you want to calculate the work along path, just give some names. It is A, it is B, and it is C. Suppose you want to calculate the work in which path? Through A, then your total work is area under the work, then your total work, which one is total work? Then your total work will be this one, this area under the A curve. Is it clear? I hope there should be no doubt. Are yes or no? Is it clear? Suppose you want to calculate along B, then your total work will be which one? Then your total work will be this one. Yes or no? I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. If you want to calculate along C, then your total work will be. Then your total work will be. This one. That's why you mucked up that work is a path dependent function. I hope it should be clear to each and everyone. Yes or no? Why work is a path dependent function? Is it clear to everyone that work is a path dependent function? Because area under the each and every curve that is different, not same. Is it clear? Very good. So now right, it is possible. It is possible to take a system. It is possible to take a system from state 1, state 2, state 1 to state 2 along paths labeled A, B, or C as the area enclosed under the curve enclosed under the curve along each path or along each path is different. Along each path is different. Therefore, work done along each path is different. Work done along each path is different. Hence, work is dependent on the path. Work is dependent on the path. On the path followed. And not just initial and final conditions. Note that just initial and final state. Is it clear? Otherwise, we don't have any formulas because we have formula In isochoric, we have different. In polytropic, we have different. In isochoric, we know zero. In adiabatic, we have different. In similar way, in all the process, we have different heats. Is it clear? So that's why. But entropy is not defined for any process. Entropy is defined in a general way. Is it clear? Yes or no? Write down next point. Path dependent path dependent functions are represented by inexact differentials. Inexact differentials. Is it clear? So you can represent that integration of w is not equal to w2 minus w1. That's why that is not in book. Standard book always they will write like this. So that is correct, not wrong. Del w is equal to this one is equal to, or you can write w is equal to integration of del w is equal to w1 to 2 or 2 to 1 2 to 3 whatever. Is it clear? I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. Next point, the properties are independent of the path followed, independent of the path followed, just depends just depends on the state of the system, state of the system, and also makes them this also makes them exact differentials. This also make them exact differentials. So we can write integration of du is equal to u2 minus u1. Path dependent functions are represented by exact inexact differential and path independent functions are represented by exact differentials. Is it clear? I hope there should be no doubt up to this point. Yes or no? Very good. You can take one more example of this one path dependent function. Examples are work and eat. If you will learn these two only, then automatically you are able to solve your each and every question. One more point. We know that for a cyclic process, if I will write cyclic integral of du is equal to 0, so all the path independent functions in a cycle have 0 value. For a cyclic process, for a cyclic process, the initial and final states, the initial and final states of the system are the same, and hence the change in any property, is 0. The change in any property is 0. Is it clear? So you will get such cyclic integral of du is equal to 0. Where this represents cycle. This represents the cyclic integral the cyclic integral for the closed path. I hope up to this point there should be no doubt, each and everything is clear. Before proceeding, first we will discuss some questions of gate, then we will proceed. I hope up to this point there should be no doubt to anyone. Yes or no? Up to this point, each and everything is crystal clear, not cleaning all clear. Is it clear? Very good. So, Pritam, I am asking to you, except thermo, in which subject you have a lot of fear? Pritam, I am asking to you, this year I need a good rank from you. Except thermo, in which subject you have a mass transfer? Then you need to take mass transfer classes once in next batch, because this the batch which is going on of mass transfer, in that class, Anubhav, I hope Anubhav or S Ramji, nearly we have covered nearly 30 hours now, near about 30 hours in the running classes. So in next, nearly yes, sir, 30. Okay. Now we will solve some questions. Then we will proceed. Now we are going to just open the account of questions. Write down first question. Write down question number first. Gate 2018 1 marks. Gate 2018 1 marks. 1 mark. Consider the following properties. Consider the following properties. E temperature, Q specific gravity. अरे specific gravity you know ना, specific gravity. R chemical potential, and S volume. The option which lists all the intensity properties. All the intensity properties is 1 marks, 3 marks if you know P, second P and Q, third one is P, Q and R, and last one is P, Q, R and S. And I need answer from everyone. You have 30 seconds. I need everyone's answer in comment box. Last 10 seconds you have. How many of you got the answer? I need answer from everyone. The right answer is very good. Third one is the correct answer. So 1 marks, easy marks if no. And if you don't, If you are confused about chemical potential, then you are not able to solve. So the right answer is third one is the correct answer. Is it clear? Next question. Second question. GATE 2015 again 1 marks. Three identical closed systems of a pure gas are taken from an initial temperature and pressure. An initial temperature and pressure. Initial temperature and pressure. T1 P1 to a final state T2 P2, each by a different path. Each by a different path. Which of the following which of the following is always true for the three systems? Delta represents the change between the initial and final states. The initial and final states U, S, G, Q, and W. I have already told you as question size increases, its difficulty level automatically decreases. So, but sometimes we will see, oh, question size is so big and we are not able to solve. U, S, G, Q, and W are internal energy, entropy, entropy gives free energy, heat added, and work done respectively. First option, delta U, delta S, Q are same. Second option, W, delta U, delta G are same. Third option, delta S, W, Q are same. Delta G, delta U, delta S are same. I have already told you the key point. If you will identify W and Q both are part dependent, then automatically you will get your answer. Then again you have 30 seconds. Which one is correct one? Tell me. I need answer from everyone. If you don't have any idea about SG, but you have, with the help of elimination, you are able to solve. Which one is correct one? I hope every one of you got. So fourth is the correct answer. Is it clear? 1 marks, free marks. If you know the concept. Because here Q wrong, W wrong, both wrong. So which one is correct one? So this is the correct one. Yes or no? Next question. Question number 3. GATE 2006. 1 marks. Match the column or match the following. Match the following. Group first and group second. And here A, B, C and D. A is heat, B is internal energy, B is internal energy, C is work, and D is entropy. I have already told you that path independent functions are also known as state function. State function. And second one is path function. Is it clear? Now I need answer from everyone. First option is A2, B1, C1, D1. Second option A2, B1, C2, D2. Third option A2, B2, C1, D1. And fourth option A2, B1, C2, D1. I need answer from everyone. Very simple question, 1 marks. You have 30 seconds to think. Which one is correct one? Tell me first. Then we will discuss one more question. I hope every one of you got it the right answer. Which one is correct one? The very good. Every one of you are intelligent. Eh? Sir, we are born talented. So heat and work both are path functions. And internal energy and entropy both are state functions. So which one is correct one? This D is the correct option. Question number 4. Question number 4 next. GATE 2007. Again 1 mark. That is for the two paths. For the two paths as shown in the figure. as shown in the figure. One reversible and one irreversible. One reversible and one irreversible. To change the state of the system, to change the state of the system from A to B, from A to B, and diagram is also given. The diagram between P versus V, that is A and that is B. So it is irreversible path and it is reversible one. First option again, very simple question. Delta U, Q, W are same. Delta U is same. Q, W are same. And fourth, delta U, Q are different. Again, you have 30 seconds. Just solve. I hope up to this point. Which one is correct one? I need answer from everyone. The right one's in. The right one is 2. Very good. Yes or no?